Hi guys, it's me, Loan Officer Samantha Hannibal, and I'm back to talk to you first-time home buyers and some of the basic requirements for qualifying for a conventional loan. So I will tell you that after cash, sellers and their agents love to see that borrower who has a conventional loan pre-approval letter, who's considered a first-time home buyer. So obviously, if you've never bought a home before, you'll be considered a first-time home buyer. If you have bought a home before, but you have not had ownership interest in a property within the last 3 years, you can be considered a first-time home buyer again. The minimum required credit score for a conventional loan is a 620. So conventional does ask that you have at least a 620 credit score. However, I will tell you that based on my experience, if you do not have other strong qualifying factors, such as a nice clean credit report or a very low debt to income ratio, getting pre-approved at a 620 can be a bit of a challenge. Not saying that it's not possible, but it may be a bit challenging. So I always encourage my borrowers, if you can at all possible work to get that credit score above a 620, it works to your benefit because it increases your chance of qualifying for a conventional loan. The maximum debt to income ratio requirement is 45%. So you want your debt to income ratio to be below 45% or at maximum 45%. There are exceptions to that, to where you may be able to go as high as 50%, but generally you want to keep that below 45%. Minimum down payment required is 3% if you're buying a 1-unit primary residence. If you're wanting to buy a primary residence, but it's 2 to 4 units, you will be required to put down more than 3%. But if it's a 1-unit primary, minimum down 3% of the sales price. If you're putting less than 5% down on the sales price of the property, you will be required to complete a first-time home buyers education course, which can be completed in person or online, and it's really not that costly. If you're putting less than 20% down on the sales price of the home, you'll be required to have mortgage insurance included in your payment. So in addition to the principal, interest, more than likely you will have to also escrow, meaning that you'll have to include homeowners insurance and property tax in your payment. You'll also have to have mortgage insurance in your monthly payment. If you need an assessment, you need a consultation, you can give me a call, send me an email, complete an application. My contact information is at the bottom of this video.